Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being a part of my community. Today, I'm going to be making Donkwa, also known as Tanfiri. It's a Nigerian snack that you can never ever say no to. Let's get into the kitchen and get started. So I'll be needing all of these ingredients to get this done. Corn, chili pepper, peanuts, 2 cups each, and just check my description box for the actual measurement I use. So I'll bring all of this together: clove, ginger, and then first off, I'm putting the corn in a pan. You can as well make use of your oven. Stir until brown in order to get that burnt taste, to make it more traditional. Stir it like so until it's brown. Then add the corn when it's brown, not like completely brown. You don't want it to get that yellow complete color. You put it in the blender and then you run until smooth. So the whole idea is to make sure we get the corn smooth. If you don't have corn where you are, what you have to do, you can also make use of cornmeal. Okay, but if you cannot get the actual corn, just get the popcorn corn. Does that make sense? Okay, and then blend it. Just try to make sure it gets smooth. Do the same thing with the peanuts. Put it in the pan or the oven to get it browned up, and then put it in your processor, the pepper, the clove, and then blend it also until it becomes smooth. So you want to blend this separately like so. When smooth, that's when we go ahead to the next step. So let me just brag a little about this snack. If you put a snack in your mouth, it melts easily. That's one of the fun thing I like about it. And with the pepper filling, oh my goodness, you don't want to say no. As a child in Nigeria, if you are in the part where you have the privilege to be exposed to different kinds of snacks, like the traditional ones, and all sort of snacks, like this snack is something you can never ever forget. I know some people don't like it, but I love Donkwa, and some people mistake it for another one called Kuli. That one is straight but tastes almost the same, but that one is crunchy. Why this one is not? Okay, so right now everything is blended separately. We now have to put everything in the blender, add sugar, add the corn, the blended peanuts, everything, and run it together so it forms as one. And now the next thing I'm going to be doing, put it in a bowl, bring it to a mix, and take my ice cream scoop or whatever you have and mold it into tiny balls or small balls like so. And that's it. And when you're done, you enjoy. And this thing I like about preparing it, you don't have to cook or pass through heat. Okay, super easy, fast, and ready to go. Tell me what you think about this snack. Give it a try and drop in my comment section. If you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.